Don't do animals because I'm not good at animals. Okay. Birds chirping, birds chirping, birds chirping, birds chirping.
Who said it first?
Me.
I think sorry.
What? Hey guys, welcome to 5 of Us! Guys, today we're going to be playing Guess the Sound Challenge. So how this is going to work is our dad / cameraman behind the camera is going to put a sound, and it could be any type of sound. It could be from a fart to a bird. Yeah, like anything. And me and Leo have to guess, and the first person to say it wins.
1 point.
Yes, gets the point. Okay,
No,
Leo,
wait.
are you sure you know your sounds?
Yes.
Okay. I think Leo actually knows how to do sounds. But guys, before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to not miss any of our amazing videos. Okay, let's go on with the first sound. Okay, our ears have to be very big today.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's the first one.
Okay. A wolf! A wolf! Bat! A wolf!
Yeah, Leo.
A wolf!
Yeah.
That sounded like a bell!
No.
Let's hear it again. Shh, quiet.
Look to me.
That's like a trumpet!
No,
Like a...
he was a wolf, guys.
Okay, I guess...
I definitely should know that because I love wolf.
Okay, the next sound.
Ready?
Yeah. Glass!
Last one.
Broken glass!
Yeah, saw it.
At the start, I was like, what in the world? And then you start thinking about it, right? And then the things come, like glass. No, I don't know. I thought it was like, you know when you have like drums and the metal thing, the gold thing that you do? Ding. I thought it was that. I don't know why. But okay, next sound.
Shh, quiet.
Yeah. Birds chirping. Rooster.
Leo.
Rooster.
Okay, let's hear it again. Shh.
That sounds like birds chirping.
No.
Birds do chirp.
True. Oh my god, Leo. Why? Okay, I feel like Leo's good at the animal ones. Okay,
ready?
next. Yeah. Sheep.
Yeah, Leo.
Leo, stop it right now.
Okay, let's hear it again.
I'm gonna-
Shh.
Your ear.
Let's hear it again.
That is such a weird sheep.
No. What do you mean?
Yeah. Okay, next sound. Okay.
Ready?
Don't do animals because I'm not good at animals. Okay. Birds chirping.
Who said it first?
Me.
I think sorry.
What?
Let's get an amazing noise, okay?
Oh, wait, what's going on? I fell asleep because the birds were chirping, so that means it's time to...
I fell asleep because you were so
Wait,
boring.
why would I fall asleep? When the birds chirp, you're supposed to wake up, not fall asleep. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. A baby screaming.
Elephant.
No.
Wait, again? A dog toy.
A dog toy.
Like,
No.
but
Shh, listen.
Wait, what again?
A
One more
giraffe?
time? What in the world is
Start with
that?
a P. P.
Piano.
No.
Potato.
Peacock.
A pillow.
Oh, I didn't know they make that sound. I
How
thought
am
they
I supposed
make
to guess that? Peacock? Really? What? The peacock?
Oh,
No.
I love peacocks. They're so cool.
I know. Wait, are those like colorful ones?
Yeah, the colorful one with the feathers.
Yeah. What was that for?
That was a rooster.
We already did that one. Okay, next sound.
Okay.
Next.
Next.
A door.
Door what?
Someone opening the door.
No.
They're closing the big door. Closing the door.
Listen. Leo said
Breaking the
first.
Car door.
Someone
Door
closing
slam.
the door. Yeah, I got it.
Door slam.
Yeah, I got it. Because that's technically closing the door, so I got another
Guys.
Okay, next sound.
I'm so bad at this. Okay.
What is that?
Listen.
Gunshots.
What do you like to play with the ball?
Gunshots.
With the ball. Listen.
Soccer.
No, guys, listen.
Pass.
Bowling.
Yeah, I was bowling. I said this, that I was bowling.
It was me.
No, it was me.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Nobody gets that point?
No.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, Kirby! Beep! The Kirby!
Someone robbing a car.
Siren!
Car.
Alarm.
Yeah, Leo.
Oh, why? Oh my god! I said siren! It was so close! And I said car first.
Okay, ready?
Dad, you can't say anything.
I'm-
Yeah, Dad!
I'm helping
He's
them.
helping.
Shut it!
He's
Yeah.
helping.
Shut it!
How about you shut it?
Okay, guys. I'm just
No
helping
helping.
you guys.
No helping.
No, he's helping.
Okay,
It's a
listen.
competitive. Shh.
Horse.
No, listen.
Donkey.
Yeah, donkey.
Leo, what are you?
Oh, wow, Leo.
What are you? Stop it! What are you, an animal?
Same.
Are you an animal?
No, you're a donkey.
Okay, guys, ready?
Yeah. Can you stop doing that?
That's a rooster.
Okay.
Okay.
Next. Footsteps.
Walking.
So it's 1 point for Zoe.
Walking.
It's footsteps. You can get.
Yeah, listen.
That's
Okay.
walking.
Okay, guys, I'm a lot better at like the weird sounds and animal sounds.
Because you are weird.
Really? Excuse me? I'm your sister.
Okay,
Hello?
listen to this one, guys.
Okay. Oh, vomiting!
Leo. Okay, listen again.
That's disgusting. That gave me. That gave me like. I just want to vomit now. Okay, that's it.
Okay, listen to this one.
Okay. Baby crying.
Who said it first?
Me.
You sure?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so it's
Leo said baby at the start.
Okay.
Yeah. Leo's like.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What
Okay, the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for Leo, and 4 for Zoe.
Oh my god.
so bad. So
Why? Okay, you know
Okay.
what? Shh. You guys are distracting me. Bell.
No?
Oh, the bird.
Clock.
No? Cuckoo, cuckoo. That's the name of the sound.
We're not gonna say cuckoo.
Yeah, you should.
Oh.
Zoe.
Dad, you're not supposed to say that to me. That's disrespect.
Okay, get ready.
Yeah.
Someone laughing.
No?
No.
Come on, it's easy.
No. Wait, what?
He was a chipmunk.
How's that cheap?
I was literally about to think about that.
Sorry.
Scusi.
Can you stop? Leave me alone. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Squeaky toy. Dog toy. Squeak.
That's a squeaky.
Squeak.
Squeaky.
Rubber ducky.
Come on. Okay. Next.
Okay, this one is really hard.
Okay, we need to pay attention.
Yeah, pay attention.
Fart. I said it first. Fart. Me?
Papi farting.
Who does the point go to?
Zoe.
Dad farting.
Guys, you know why I'm so used to that noise? Because our
Because we
dad.
fart a lot.
Let me talk. Because our dad farts every 5 seconds. He walks. He
One.
walks.
That's a lie, guys.
Wait,
No.
wait, guys.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What?
Did he fart?
No.
Exactly.
No, but still, he put something in his mouth and then inside.
Okay,
But-
ready?
Okay, yeah. Silence.
Fireflies.
No, guys. come on.
Crickets.
Yeah, crickets. Crickets.
I don't know why, but that sounds
Those are not crickets.
This
Okay.
is satisfying.
Get ready for this one.
Okay. Flushing toilet. Flushing toilet.
Toilet.
No, I said flushing toilet.
I
Yeah,
said
but
we're
Leo's
not
the first.
flushing toilet.
Oh my god, guys, I'm so bad at sounds. Leo. Okay.
Ready?
Yes. Burping. No, me. Burping.
Sorry.
Why? I don't know why, but I only know the weird noises like farting, burping, vomiting.
Because you are weird. What do you mean I guess vomiting?
Oh yeah. Okay. Next one. Oh my god, guys, I'm so bad at this game that it's literally not fair.
Ready?
Doorknob.
No, it's just knocking.
Knocking.
It's the same thing.
So who said it first?
Door knocking.
I think I did. I think we said at the same time.
No, we give it a tie.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Get ready for the second one.
You're just like, Drums.
Yeah, sorry.
I love that noise. It's just like,
If someone falls,
no, the sound just reminds me of a finish of something. I don't know why, because like, I don't know why, it's just like, squeaky door.
a violin.
Sorry.
How did I know that? Leo, that is not a violin. If that's a, Leo, if that's a violin, that's a broken violin because that is not the sound of a violin. Okay, next sound is,
Okay, ready?
yeah. Dogs barking.
Sorry.
Yeah. Guys, I told you I wouldn't let you
Okay,
guys down.
Zoe is winning now.
No way.
How many points?
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for Zoe.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for Leo.
Okay, I have to catch up. So the next sound, whistle.
Yeah.
Oh my god, guys! I can't believe I'm actually winning. Okay, I'm winning by 3 points. Okay, I can't let Leo catch up. Okay, next sound. Thunderstorm.
Leo, what's wrong with you? What happened to you?
Leo, what happened to you?
That's not thunderstorm. That's
Yeah,
thunder.
it is. Listen to it.
Guys, my mom loves thunderstorm. Okay, she doesn't like that, like light, rainy. She likes.
Okay, next.
Okay, next is notification.
No. Listen.
Bell.
Coin.
Oh wait, I said golden coin.
You say golden
I was
coin.
gonna say golden
Oh,
coin.
you're
You
gonna
were
say.
gonna say.
Oh my god.
Wait, what? Let me hear that
Did I
again.
say
That
golden
sounds
coin?
so.
Listen to this one.
Zombies. Aliens.
No, listen.
Whispering.
Whisper.
How does that sound like
That sounds
whispering?
like a weird monster.
I was-
That sounds
Okay.
Okay,
Next.
this is the last one, guys.
Okay.
Wait, what? The last one?
Wait, so
Yeah.
this will count like 5 points?
Yeah, it's called 5. Okay?
No!
No, it's 5 to
No.
like,
Okay.
It's 5. If I get right, I win.
Silence.
See.
This one is really hard.
Okay, whoever gets
Yeah?
5 points.
Go.
Elfin!
Yeah!
You didn't win, you know?
Yeah, I did because it was 5 points.
No.
He said,
No.
yep.
No.
Okay,
Okay.
guys.
Dad, count the points.
I got
Okay.
5.
No.
Yes.
Leo has 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 5.
No!
Yes!
No!
You said yes!
No!
Yes.
Okay,
No.
let's count toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
So I win!
Wait, no, I win. I win.
No, but I got 5 points.
No.
Leo.
I
We
guess-
have to be fair, Papa.
Yeah.
But
Like,
you said 5
I
points.
know, it was just
joking,
playing,
of
yeah.
course.
Joking? Joking.
Okay, so the winner is
Zoe!
Zoe!
Guys, I feel so proud of myself because before when we had challenges, I would always lose. And now I'm on a winning streak.
Because you don't play Roblox.
Let's not talk about that. Let's talk about real life games. So guys, I won. I actually at the start, Leo was getting all of them right, and I actually thought I wasn't gonna get none of
And then
them.
Leo fall asleep.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I don't know what
What happened to you, Leo?
He was
Huh?
like, I don't even know. Okay guys, but this game was so much fun. But it does get a little bit confusing with the sounds because you just like try to hear, but you don't get it. But I mean, it was so much fun. Leo, did you have fun?
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun. Guys, we hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!